Have you seen viral Rico animations and wondered how they made their character blink eyes so perfectly? Watch this video till the end because I will show you step by step how to animate eye blinking using free images in FlipaClip. Even if you are a total beginner, if you love animation, follow this page and subscribe to this channel. I post free tutorials every week. Let's dive in. Here is the first airtime. The fastest person to load it win. I will be sharing more airtime, so make sure you watch this video to the end. If you get this airtime, drop a comment so that I will know someone have got it. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Play Store, download FlipaClip, then click on that plus icon in order to start the animation. Then you have to click on project name. So let us name your animation. Click on it. Then you have to name our animation Rico eye blinking. That will be the topic for today's video. Then we have to import a background. Okay, so we will just import a simple background that we just designed. Okay, so I will go to Rico cartoons app folder, then I will import the background I downloaded from the app. So see the background as they name it in the file. So I will touch it. So I've already imported. Then click on that mark icon in order to import it. Then the next step is to set up your canvas size. Because of this video is for YouTube, so I will set it to YouTube 1080p because that is the normal landscape aspect ratio for YouTube videos. So I will click on that first one, then go back. Then we are going to click on create project in order for us to get started. Okay, so now we are on the interface of FlipaClip. Then the next step is for you to first of all click on layer panels because we need to organize our animations. Okay, so tap on that layer 1. Okay, so we are going to rename that thing. Yes, we are going to rename it to character. So this will be the character layer. Then the next thing is click on that plus icon again. Let us add the second layer. Okay, so this second layer now we are going to rename it. So we're going to change the name to camera because we imported object the character is holding in his hand. So add a new layer again, the final one. Then this one will now be the eye. So this is where we will animate the eyes because so the eye that is in the head will be on a separate layer. Okay, for the animation. Then go back to the character so that we can import it. So click on that 3 dots over there for you to start importing the character from the Rico cartoons app. Then click on add image. So it will take you to your gallery where you will be selecting the character. So these are all the characters animation free packs I downloaded from the Rico cartoons app. Okay, so once you import the character, then you have to stage it. So use your lasso tool to select the character, then you stage it properly because staging is very, very important so that viewers can easily understand your animation. Then click on that layer panel again. Then let us import the camera. So click on the camera layer so that we can import the camera into the project. Okay, so click on that 3 dots over there. Then you have to click on add image. Let us add the image of the camera that we also designed from the app. So see the camera there. I will click on it. Then you have to also stage the camera as well. Stage it so that it will be on the character hand. Very important. So use your lasso tool to set the camera to be exactly on the character hand so that it will be like the character is holding the camera. So that is staging for you. That is how you make your animation look professional. You stage your character, stage all the objects in the scene, the props. So guys, the final step for us is for us to add the head. So that head now is going to contain the eyes now. So that is why I say eyes. So eyes is inside the head. Then click on the head layer. Now we have to also import the character head that we also got from the Rico cartoons app. So I will click on add image. Okay, so let us import the head. So this is the head now. You see it is big, but then you need to scale it down. So it's also part of the staging I'm talking about, one of the principles of animation. So you stage the head so that it will match with the body, okay, so that viewers will not get confused. I created this Rico character using the free Rico Cartoons app on my phone. If you want all the Rico characters, background and objects ready for animation, I recommend you join my 2D and Rico animation class. Once you join, I will give you full access to the Rico Cartoons app, plus I will teach you how to animate characters, create action movements, and even make your own cartoon characters all on your phone or laptop. Use the link in the description of this video or comment I'm interested, then I will send it to you directly. Let's make this animation happen. So as you can see, we have already added frame 1, but then we need to time this animation, okay? So with timing now, we'll control how fast or how slow the eye blinking will happen, okay, and how many frames we are going to use. So timing effect is important because it affects the mood, okay? So if you want to get a slow blinking, okay, then it needs to be like, you need to add the frames, very slow. So guys, at this point, you see, so we are going to delete this head, okay? So we are going to delete this head. Then now we are on frame 3, right? We are going to delete this head. Then we are going to add the new head. So you will see that this new head, you will see the type of eyes it will have, okay? It will look like half eyes, okay? It will look like half eye, so that you know that yes, the character is blinking the eye. You see, so the eyes started to close. You see how I was able to get the eye blinking correctly. So the pose 2, because we are doing pose to pose animation, pose 1 was the eyes was normally open. Pose 2 is we started seeing the eyelid started to close the eyes small. That is forward frame 3. So once you have this kind of eye design, now you will see that your own eye blinking will be smooth, okay? Then you have to, then very important, you have to also stage this thing, make it to match with the first head, or if you are doing only the eyeballs, make it to match with the first one, so that you will have a consistent movement, consistent motion, okay? So you are going to position this thing now so that it will be right on top of the previous head. You see, so during the eye blinking, just focus on the eyelid closing gradually, okay? Then let us add a new frame. So this frame now we are adding, now you will see how the eye blinking will be closing gradually, okay? So you have to delete the eyes of the old one. If you clone last frame, then click on that 3 dots. Let us add a new eye movement, okay? So the body and the camera are staying on the same position. We are just focused on the head layer. That is why I did camera, body and then head, so that we are animating only the head, okay, because of the eyes is inside the head. So you're going to, you see that this one now, they close it halfway. You can observe they closed it halfway, okay? A quick reminder, I post new animation tutorials every week, and my mission is to teach you how to animate on your phone or laptop until you become a pro, okay? So please, if you are enjoying this video, please hit that like button, okay? Subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends who want to learn animation. Your support means a lot. Alright, here is the second free airtime. Be the fastest to load it, okay? And drop a comment if you get it. Don't forget, I'll be dropping another free airtime before the end of this video, so stay tuned and don't miss out, okay? So now our main focus is the eye blinking. So you see that gradually we are closing the eyes. So if you can be able to create your character like this, this is anticipation, okay? Gradually you are anticipating. Our main goal is the blinking, the actual closing, but then all those in between now we are adding now is what is the, we are trying to what, establish and also at the same time anticipate the actual eye blinking. So the eyelid has to keep closing down small. So that is how you will be able to create animations like this. So this is going to be the final frame before we now add the actual blinking. Okay, I hope you are following along with me. So now we have to do what? Click on that plus icon. So if you click it, click and hold so that you'll be able to clone the frame. So now click on the lasso key 2 times, select the head, then you have to delete it. So if you delete it now, then I'll import the actual blinking. Yes, this is the actual blinking. So all those other ones we are adding, you can call it secondary animation, because the truth is you can just put in this pose now and they open the eyes. You can do it very fast. So but if you want it to be extra smooth, that is when you can now say, okay, you want to go into details like this. So this is the actual blinking. This is the actual blinking where the character eyes is completely closed. Okay, so it depends on you. If you want your animation to look fluid and smooth, then do the in between. Okay, let it start closing small, the eyelid small, then it will reach a point that it will close. So you can do three frames for it. Okay, so the frame 1 is the upper eyelid start coming down. Frame 2 is upper eyelid and lower eyelid start coming down, which will give you half eyes. Then frame 3 will now be the actual blinking. Okay, so if you finish adding this actual blinking now, then you have to go back to your previous frame, then copy that half eyes and paste it in the next frame, so that as it blink, it will start to open. So this is the half eyes. So you are going to select the half eyes, then copy it, then go to the next frame after eye blinking, then you will paste it there. Yes, so click on that plus icon, then delete the previous eyes already there. Okay, so if you delete these previous eyes, you know we added a new frame now. So if you delete these previous eyes now, then you have to paste in that half eyes that we copied, so that now the character already blinked the eyes. So the next thing is for his eyes to open, right? So that is what we are trying to achieve now. Then click on that plus icon, then you have to delete this head because we have already duplicated the frame. So delete this head, then you will need to go back to that one that the upper eyelid is, you know, that neutral, like the one ahead, this one now that the upper eyelid is open. Then you have to copy the eyes and then paste it on the next frame after the half eyes. Okay, so you have to copy it. Just once you can be able to create something like this, the blinking is very easy. So you paste it there. So then the last thing we need to do is to add a new plus icon. So this will be the end frame. Take note, this will be the end frame. Then you have to delete this current eye, then go back to frame 1, that initial normal eyes that is not blinking, that the neutral one. You have to copy it and paste it on the end frame. Okay, so guys, that will be the final step that we are going to take. Okay, so if you paste it here now, you don't have any issues again. So let us play video animation. You see the animation, so we got it correct. So the next thing now is let us export the video. So click on that 3 dot, then click on make movie in order to export the video. So you can see, so you see that my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. If you need this my FlipaClip premium, drop a comment, I'm interested, I'll send it to you. Then click on make movie so that you will be able to export your project. So now we are already exporting the video. So now we are done with the exporting, so you can now play your video and share it on your social media platform. So let us play the video and see. You just saw the animation we created. See, animation is easy and there is a simple way to make cartoon animation faster. If you want to start creating viral animations just like Rico animations and learn step by step how to animate on your phone or laptop, I'm personally inviting you to join my 2D and Rico animation class. When you join, you will get all the animation apps and software for creating animation videos, including the Rico Cartoons app, FlipaClip Premium, and Moho Pro software. I will be coaching you one-on-one. Plus, you will get you will get a well-detailed tutorial videos showing you everything from creating your own characters, rigging and boning for easy animation, how to monetize your content, and even I can link you to animation studios and jobs after you become professional animator. To join the class, use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and contact me so you can get started. If you want to support me further, you can also join my Patreon membership. When you join my Patreon membership, you will get access to download all my 2D and 3D animation assets, characters, background, object, and even the Rico Cartoons app is available here for creating animations, okay, and games. So the links is there in the description to unlock everything. I post new animation tutorials every week, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And I want to hear from you. What topic should I teach in my next tutorial? Comment below. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep learning, I have done over 40 Rico animation tutorials on my channel. So all the free courses is in the Rico animation tutorial playlist. Links is in the description. So go check it out. The last tutorial I posted, and continue leveling up your animation skills. If you watch this far, it means you are a true fan. This is the last free airtime on the screen. The fastest person to load it wins. So drop a comment if you got it, and also let me know in the comments what network should I share in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and share it so that I will continue dropping free airtime in my next tutorial. Happy new month, guys.